The ultimate guide to diagnosing BMW engine misfire from certified mechanics in Pontiac. The engine misfire in your BMW can be caused due to various factors and can permanently damage the engine. The engine misfire in your BMW needs to be addressed quickly by fixing the underlying issues. Here are the factors that can cause your BMW to misfire unexpectedly. Faulty ignition coils. The faulty ignition coils in your vehicle are found to be the primary factor behind engine misfires. The ignition coils are responsible for converting low voltage output produced by the battery into high voltage output. In addition to engine misfire, you are also going to experience rough idling, reduced fuel economy, and illumination of warning light. Spark plugs failure. Malfunctioning spark plugs can also cause the engine to misfire even if the ignition coils are functioning properly. The spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber by providing the spark. The spark plugs of your car need to be replaced as per the owner's manual of the vehicle. Malfunctioning intake manifold gasket. Most of the time it is seen that the intake manifold gasket develops a leak and this adversely affects the functioning of the engine. The leaking intake manifold gasket lets in a huge amount of air into the engine, disrupting the air-fuel mixture in the engine. Most of the time it is seen that natural wear and tear is a common factor behind the malfunctioning of the intake manifold gasket. Inadequate fuel pressure. There are instances where it is observed that inadequate fuel pressure causes your engine to misfire. The low fuel pressure leads to insufficient fuel entering the engine and leads to a lean air-fuel mixture causing misfiring. A clogged fuel filter leads to a drop in the fuel pressure of your vehicle, and replacing it will solve your woes. Conclusion. These are some of the factors that often cause engine misfire in your BMW. Take your BMW to a certified repair shop for diagnosing and fixing the issues in your BMW.